Are you looking for a natural and safe way to lose those extra pounds? Look no further than using green tea for your weight loss goals. Not only is it a delicious beverage, but it has also been shown to have numerous health benefits. In recent years, green tea has gained popularity for its weight loss properties, and for good reason. Green tea contains a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which has been shown to boost metabolism, increase fat oxidation, and help burn calories. But before you start guzzling green tea, it's important to note that it's not a magic weight loss solution. It works best when paired with a healthy diet and regular exercise routine. In fact, green tea can complement your efforts by reducing appetite, improving digestion, and providing an energy boost for workouts. Click the first link in the description below this video to discover the one secret ingredient that will burn your fat faster. Additionally, green tea is loaded with antioxidants, which can help protect against diseases and support better overall health. It's a low-calorie and caffeine-free option that can be enjoyed hot or cold throughout the day. 1. Green tea is a natural source of antioxidants. Green tea is a natural source of antioxidants and can be an excellent addition to your weight loss plan. Antioxidants help protect your body against damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules produced by various environmental factors like pollution and radiation. Green tea contains a specific type of antioxidant called catechins, which have been shown to boost metabolism and aid in fat burning. Moreover, green tea is a low-calorie beverage, making it an ideal choice for you looking to lose weight without adding unnecessary calories to your diet. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine, either as a beverage or in supplement form, can be a simple yet effective way to support your weight loss goals. However, it is important to note that green tea should not be relied upon as a sole means of weight loss, but rather used in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise regime for optimal results. 2. High levels of catechins found in green tea can help boost metabolism. Green tea has been used for various health benefits for centuries, and recent research suggests that it can also help boost metabolism and contribute to weight loss. High levels of catechins found in green tea have been linked to increased thermogenesis, the process by which the body burns calories to generate heat. This, in turn, can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss efforts. The catechins found in green tea have been shown to have a positive effect on fat oxidation, which means that they can assist in the breakdown of body fat, making it easier for the body to burn fat as fuel. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine may be a useful addition to any weight loss plan. However, as with any dietary supplement, it's important to seek advice from a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise plan. 3. Regular consumption of green tea can reduce the risk of obesity. Green tea has been used for centuries for its various benefits on health, and it has been suggested that its regular consumption can reduce the risk of obesity. This is due to the presence of polyphenols, particularly catechins, in green tea. These compounds are potent antioxidants that have been shown to increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation, and to reduce the absorption of fat and glucose from the intestine. Additionally, green tea contains caffeine, which can stimulate the metabolism and promote thermogenesis, the process by which the body burns calories to produce heat. Clinical studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of green tea can lead to significant weight loss and reduction of body fat, particularly in combination with exercise and a healthy diet. Therefore, incorporating green tea into your weight loss goals can be a natural and effective way to support your journey to a healthier body. 4. Green tea can help reduce abdominal fat. Green tea has been a popular beverage in many cultures for centuries and is known for its many health benefits. One of the benefits that has recently gained attention is the effect that green tea can have on reducing abdominal fat. Research suggests that the catechins found in green tea may help increase metabolism and fat oxidation in the body, which can lead to the reduction of abdominal fat. Additionally, EGCG, a type of catechin found in green tea, has been found to aid in weight loss and improve insulin sensitivity. While green tea alone cannot lead to significant weight loss, incorporating it into a healthy diet and exercise routine can provide an added boost to help achieve weight loss goals. It is important to note that green tea should not be viewed as a miracle solution for weight loss, and it should be consumed in moderation as excessive intake can lead to negative side effects. Overall, including green tea as part of a balanced weight loss plan can lead to positive results. 5. Green tea contains caffeine, which can help increase energy levels and alertness. Green tea is a popular beverage that has been lauded for its many potential health benefits, including weight loss. One reason why green tea can be an effective tool for weight loss is due to its caffeine content. Caffeine is a stimulant that can help to increase energy levels and alertness, ultimately leading to greater physical performance during exercise. Green tea contains approximately 30 to 50 milligrams of caffeine per cup, which is significantly less compared to a cup of coffee, but still enough to produce these effects. It is important to note, however, that excessive caffeine consumption can lead to negative side effects such as jitters, anxiety, and disrupted sleep. Therefore, it is recommended to consume green tea in moderation and to limit consumption in the evenings to avoid any sleep disturbances. 6. Drinking green tea can help reduce hunger and reduce calorie intake. The active ingredient in green tea, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, is responsible for this effect. EGCG works by reducing the levels of the hormone ghrelin, which is responsible for increasing appetite. By reducing ghrelin levels, green tea can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time, thus reducing your calorie intake. Additionally, green tea can help boost metabolism, which also contributes to weight loss. Drinking green tea regularly, combined with a healthy diet and exercise plan, can be an effective and natural way to achieve your weight loss goals. 7. Green tea can help reduce water retention. Water retention can cause bloating and puffiness in certain areas of the body, making it a frustrating issue for those striving to achieve their weight loss goals. The antioxidants present in green tea, such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, have diuretic effects that help to flush out excess water from the body. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you may experience reduced water retention and a slimmer, more defined appearance. However, it is crucial to note that drinking green tea alone is not a guaranteed way to lose weight. It should be accompanied by a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal results. 8. Green tea can help reduce stress and anxiety. Green tea is a popular beverage that has been consumed for centuries, primarily in Asia. It is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and is known for its numerous health benefits. One of the lesser-known benefits of drinking green tea is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Green tea contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which is known to stimulate the production of alpha brainwaves that promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Studies have shown that consuming green tea may help reduce stress and anxiety in individuals, making it a great addition to any weight loss plan. Adding a cup of green tea to your daily routine may help you feel more relaxed and less stressed, which can ultimately lead to more success in achieving your weight loss goals. 9. Drinking green tea can help reduce cholesterol levels. One of the benefits of drinking green tea is that it can help reduce cholesterol levels, which can be beneficial for weight loss goals. The catechins in green tea have been shown to prevent the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines, leading to lower levels of overall cholesterol in the body. This can potentially reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, green tea has been found to increase the levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, which is considered to be the good cholesterol. This can further assist with weight loss goals by improving overall heart health and reducing the risk of heart-related complications. However, it's important to note that green tea should not be used as a sole method for lowering cholesterol levels, and should be used in combination with other proven methods such as a healthy diet and exercise. 10. Green tea can help reduce inflammation in the body. In recent years, green tea has gained popularity as a weight loss aid due to its potential to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and other health problems. EGCG, a powerful antioxidant found in green tea, has been shown to reduce inflammation by blocking the production of inflammatory molecules in the body. Green tea also contains catechins which can boost metabolism and aid in fat loss. However, it's important to keep in mind that green tea alone is not a magic pill for weight loss and must be combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Incorporating green tea into a healthy diet and regular exercise routine could potentially boost weight loss efforts. Overall, green tea can provide numerous health benefits and could be a helpful tool for those looking to reach their weight loss goals. Click the first link in the description below this video to discover the one secret ingredient that will burn your fat faster. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.